Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So today, it's like deja vu. We're back here again. We're unboxing yet another pair of shoes. More specifically, my latest pair of Socates. I am endlessly amazed, overwhelmed, all the words, when I am constantly getting so many presents, so many gifts, so many even just kind words, really. I'm always super thankful at everything you guys have made possible. Like, as I always say, this happening before you. And no, I'm not talking about Miss Beautiful, although she is just as big of a positive in my life as you guys are. But let's go ahead and just tuck in, get right into it, get comfortable. So we're not going to be doing a Socate collection again, because I think that would be a little bit redundant to do Socate collections for every single unboxing if I'm getting back-to-back Socates. So we're just going to relish and enjoy and I guess just savor the moment with these. So let's just tear right into it. Now, I already preemptively, now if I could get the box off, I preemptively took them out of the dust bags because I'm always fighting with them, and apparently that didn't mean a whole lot because I wound up fighting just to get the lid off the box. But, oof, cat fight. Okay, we're gonna move on. So, comes with the heel taps, the dust bags, the works. Now, these were not purchased from the Louboutin website. These were purchased resale because for the longest time, I could not find a pair of the kid leather. I keep wanting to say Napa, but it's kid leather. The kid leather black Socates. I have been eyeballing these forever, and Louboutin got rid of them for a while, but upon inspection, it looks like they're coming back brand new on the Louboutin site. So good for Louboutin. Finally, they're making a change that I'm excited about, bringing in more of the kid leather, make more styles available in the kid leather. So these are not brand spanking new, but they're new to me, and that's what matters. And I'll give you guys a nice little 360 of the black kid leather Socates. We had the inner quarter, obviously our beautiful toe box, outer quarter, back of the heel, and they have been used, but maybe once, maybe. Obviously not doing a whole heck of a lot of walking around when they wore these that one time they did. Let's go ahead and just get the buddy out from the box so we can get the full picture. Just next to nothing, just used once. I mean, these very well could have even just been tried on outside for all I know. Some people, they buy the Socate, they fall in love with the look, then they try it on, and then they're like, oh, wait. And that's why you happen to see these on the resale market quite a bit. So there was just the right timing, the right luck, the right person who wanted to get these for me, and I guess I won out in the end because I love my Socates, I wear my Socates, I know what I'm getting into, and I am getting more Socates. But most of the population does not know what they're getting themselves into, so my latest, newest, most profound word of advice that I can give to people when they are venturing into Louboutin land and thinking about getting a Socate is, why not just go somewhere where you can find them for maybe a couple $100 max, see if you can actually handle the height. See if you can handle the teensy little narrow toe box. Just see if you can handle it even when they're used. Because if you can't handle them when they're used, when they're well loved, you're not gonna be able to handle them brand spanking new. Because when they're used and well worn, the toe box should have already been broken in for you. So there's going to be less restriction of your movement. There's going to be, dare I say, blood flow because breaking in socates, it tends to cut off your blood flow to your feet, and that's something people don't really talk about. But all in all, I would recommend, if you're seriously thinking about forking out the $800 in a brand new pair, just fork out maybe the $200. Just see if you can handle it. If you can't, well, then you didn't spend $800 at least. Just try on a pair if you can. If you cannot try on a pair, there's just no boutique around you that would have anything like that available to you, try the resale market. You can get fabulous deals. Look on eBay, send an offer. You never know what a seller might take just to get rid of a pair, because I've been in the position where I've had to sell shoes in the past, and I've sold them both through consignment or just selling them myself. You would be amazed at what kind of offers people will take if they just want to get rid of the shoe. So send the offer, see what happens. You could get away with getting a pair of socates for probably as low as $100 on the resale market. It's really, really incredible for finding deals on shoes, and that's where most of my new to me stuff has been coming from anyway. But that will about do it for this little unboxing video and my ode to the resale market. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not already, please like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff if you'd like to further support me and my endless shoe endeavor. Follow me on TikTok. I'm trying to hit 10K followers for obvious reasons. If you would like to further support me, there's always Patreon starting at $3 a month. And if that isn't enough for you, go ahead and check out my Poshmark closet linked down below. Now, other than that, I am itching to throw these on. And as always, I will see you guys in the next pair of shoes. Bye.